which is actually a conglomeration of many radars across the nation detecting whether rain is falling at this hour and even some embedded thunderstorms and tornadoes. As a matter of fact, that frontal system is just about here. We have very warm and humid air over the southeast, and just a messy day is going on right now. Let's take one local radar stop out of the Des Moines area, and we'll certainly depict all of the rain showers just to the west of this area. Now, this is the state of Nebraska, well, the eastern half of Nebraska, and just a lot of embedded thunder showers throughout this area. As a matter of fact, this particular cell here is headed toward the Omaha area. So please keep that in mind. We can get a more detailed idea of where that thunderstorm is. And it's moving very rapidly to the northeast at about 35 miles per hour. Now, this is the same area that is under the gun right now with a tornado watch. Actually, it's in effect until 8 p.m. tonight. So certainly, please be very careful if you're traveling out here and immediately take shelter. We'll be back with lots more exciting weather information, including the tornado and thunderstorm watches.
As we said, any one of these storms could produce a tornado. We also have a possible tornado in southeastern Iowa as well. So that one I think was on the ground, the one that I just read earlier. So we have tremendous potential for severe weather in this particular region. So stay tuned to the Weather Channel for the latest. Look at that cell just about coming into Omaha, Nebraska, one southeast of Lincoln. Next stop into Baton Rouge, Louisiana, or Slidell. We've had showers and thunderstorms here. No tornadoes with these storms, but just a little bit of light rain. Stay tuned. We'll have your local conditions coming up and more in the way of severe weather updates.
To the south of Omaha, these storms are moving north by northwest at approximately 50 miles per hour. Omaha, you may be under the threat of tornadoes here for the next 20 or 30 minutes. Also, see this storm right here, a little less impressive this go around, but Van Buren and down towards the Davis County and Clark County areas, again, right here, a potential tornado. Back to the maps, we'll look at that forecast for dying down a little bit, but you can figure more heavy rain, gusty winds, and hail. Here are the real nasty weather areas. Over by Nebraska City, getting a big storm, as well as on the north side of Omaha. And it looks like this cell here will pass over the Bellevue Council Bluffs area. There's another cell around Denison, and there's yet another cell up the river there near where the Sioux River comes into the mighty Mo. And again, past hour, we had a 54-mile-an-hour wind gust in Lincoln, so they're packing a wallop. Plenty of damaging hail in here as they race on northeast at 50 miles an hour. One more radar view. Want to take you over to North Carolina. Everything bearing down on Wilmington, batten down the hatches. Over by Washington in Duplin County, in Lumberton. Heavy rains in the past hour. They had a gust to 60 miles an hour at Fayetteville. Everything heading southeast at 35 miles an hour. Recapping.